Okay, bodo bara mothe Bishop aragera ide nirere. Ni maundu maria we mwenyewe oi nerehereire. Ndirago ni undu wake. Ni tondu arere Bishop witu neremirwo guikara ta Bishop bado aikara ta comedian. Daishi undu wothe Bishop arakorwo akiaria ndiroyo wita comedy, uroyo we serious. Na nikirona hindi ya Pretty Vision Bishop aragia ki comedy. Niguo no ndu cio acokio kimugaruruka ureciragia ikora tiguo. Haroka story ya papasi. Hado ali the story ya papasi na uge muingi muno biokire tu na horo wa comedy. Tondu ngira kiuga atiriri ati wira wake ri ati wende wira wake gaduthi akiguraga arume njohi kiruta ki uguo. Niguo ndarora horo ucio ri gona Bishop witu ni fati uko ugi take time ukirespondera mundu undu wothe right now. Aikona nda kuma thina-ini ucio ri just take time. Wona to ginya warie si lazima ubishana watu online. Just keep quiet. Haria ukinya kirathi gyaku tha ici ri tia kubishana na ithwe. Tha ici ri ngirona post ire rehete thina tha ici ya mundu gwitwo Honorable Kururia. Kururia akora makosa, Kururia akuchokoza mtu directly. Kururia ara text ira ugire atire arandikira ugire atire hena ateke IWS KK maena hena fisi bypass kama bypass nego. Na ori papasi ni uhorocio Bishop witu ugira kirire ki na ndotweta waigwa undu tocio. History yote sahihi ingekuwa. But sasa hebu ona mambo zenye umejiletea. Now it's going down. It's going down. Tukile kio nige modo geumire alete shida. Bishop, this is not good. Just eheria comedy. This is not good. Bishop eheria yani the ni a comedy wigire thigi ya mundu wa kuheka gitio, mundu wa gucunga miario yake akiaria wone ni kuherera stress nyingi na gudokiru muone andu. But if you will not do that, it's about to go down.